What's up, YouTube? This is Recon from Blackout. Anyway, this is going to be an unboxing. And sorry if you hear any noise in the background. That is my dad, because we just came home and we brought home some chicken. So, let me get to this unboxing. I think this cost me around $259. That's what it said. And sorry if my arms look a little red, if you can see them. I just came back from football practice. And trust me, it's hot down here in Alabama. And use my little knife, bear knife, pretty nice. Nothing fancy like the bag of Airsoft, but hey, it'll do. All right. Ooh, this is looking nice. Get my order form. And, yep, everything I got. Oh, yes. Come here, baby. Anyway, this is a refurbished model, so sorry if the packaging is a little banged up. Anyway, the KWA G36C. Now, if you're one of my subscribers watching this, as you know, I probably wasn't going to get it, but, oh my lord. Oh, that's nice. Okay. KWA warranty, yeah, testing papers and stuff like that. Oh lord. That is one nice gun. Pretty hefty. You hefty little sucker, aren't you? Oh yes, this is a 2GX model. Too bad it doesn't have any and a little hop up right there. You can see that. Oh, that's nice. I can't wait to try this out. Get the magazine out. Now, it came with a jammer rod and stuff like that. Now, this is a refurbished model, so it's a little banged up, a little rough on the charging handle, but oh lord, this is one nice gun. I've been expecting this gun for a while. Sorry, I'm just trying to get all this styrofoam off here, but I've been expecting this gun for a while. If you've known, I was probably not going to get this, but luckily I got some money and I got it. Now, this is fully licensed by Agent K through Umarex. But still, this is one nice gun. You'll be seeing me using this nowadays. Got a metal RAS, polymer upper RAS for part of the gun, and also I ordered a trigger spring to fix my M9. Well, HFC M190 or SN HFC M9. Yeah, I think this is the right part. It's a trigger spring because the last one of mine broke. But yeah. Whew. That is one nice gun. It's a good thing I got the refurbished model though, because this is pretty expensive. Let me put me in the frame right here. Yep. So this is the. Alright guys, that's it. This is Recon signing out, and expect a review of this on my channel. It's Chanman. Yeah, I got the blue tape right here. Man, still pretty good. Anyway, Chan signing out.